Hey, Steve Basic Architect out here at our Historic Reno blog. Climb up on the second floor here. If you can remember, we did a bunch of reframing up here. Now we have our insulation in. We're a little tight on dimensions, so on our ceiling rafters, we have, I believe it's 3 inches of closed cell, and then we fill the remainder with some open cell there. So we're climbing up, in the mid 50s, mid to high 50s in R value there. And then you can see on the wall here, we have a friction fit bat. But before we install that, we do just a little bit of closed cell. It's 1 inch. They do a really good job, these guys. And so a little bit of a flash and bat system is what it's usually called. So there's the 1 inch flash, and then the friction fit bat there. And yeah, so that's our installation. We're still waiting on those 2 sashes. Steve Basic Architect.